Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this 3D pen. Okay, as you can see, this pen is really nice. It writes in the air and you can draw whatever with it. You can draw it on a paper and take out that ink, and then you can paste it somewhere, or you can directly draw it in the air. Okay, so as you can see in this box, the pen looks something like this. You can draw anything with it, and if you have bought this or if you are deciding to buy this, then I want you to watch this video till the end, so you'll be clear about its functions and everything, how it works, because I have said everything in this video. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is our 3D pen. Okay, as you can see, the box is very nice, the design is also very nice. As you can see here, we can see the image of the 3D pen, how it looks. See, the 3D pen looks really cool. Yes, as you can see in this image of the box, it comes with 4 colors. As you can see, one is this army color, one is purple, one is blue, and one is pink. Okay, so in this box I had bought the purple color one. Okay, so I'll be showing you purple color one 3D pen, and as you can see, we can do like these things with 3D pen, like we can draw an Eiffel Tower and many other things you can do. You can draw whatever you want. Okay, and here is written in this side 3D printing pens. Okay, here is written, and here is written, here you will show the color of the pen which you bought. I had bought purple, so I had, as you can see here, it's ticked in purple. And here's written 3D pen, draw your dream. Okay, so whatever you want, you can draw it. So that's why it's written draw your dream, as you can see over here. Now let us unbox it. Okay, so here is our 3D pen, as you can see over here. So this is our 3D pen. It looks very cool. Its grip is also very nice, and it's very comfortable to handle also, as you can see over here. And here is its display, as you can see. Here it will be showing the time and everything, the filament type, whatever you want to select, everything here will be shown. And here are 2 buttons to adjust the filament type and the time and everything, I guess. Here we can adjust the settings, and these 2 buttons you are seeing, these are the main buttons. Okay, so these buttons are used to drop the filament. Now filament means the ink of this pen. Okay, the ink will be placed over here. I will show you later on by doing practical everything, but now let me just explain. So here will be the ink. Okay, as you can see in this hole, we'll put the ink of this pen, which is called filament, and then when you press this button, then the ink will come. Okay, start to come, and we can draw until you again press it. Okay, so if you press it and then it will start to come, if you again press it, then it will stop. Okay, so like that you have to keep on drawing. Just start and you want to draw up to where you can draw, and then stop, and again go from next point, again start, and then again stop. Okay, and this button is used to take out the filament. Okay, now when you put the filament, it will go inside the pen. Okay, up to here, so you can't take out it with your hand, so you have to press this button, and the motors inside will rotate, and it will slowly take out the filament all away. Okay, if you try to take out with your hand, then the filaments will be left behind in this pen, and it can cause damage to your pen. Okay, so don't do that. And then here inside this box, as you can see here, we get a manual of this pen. So let me show you first of all the manual. Here is written some functions. Here is written both in Chinese and English, so you can read it if you want. Okay, so and then here, this was the filament type I was talking about. Now as you can see here, I had to cut this much part. I had already used this filament. Okay, when this pen I had bought, so here you may be seeing a little bit less filament. Okay, but you will get more filament, so don't worry about the filament. It will be up to this much bundle, you will get more filament. I had already used it a bit, so it's less. As you can see, this part I took out from the filament. So this is the filament. Okay, it's basically a plastic, and what the pen does is that this plastic will go through the pen from here, and then when it will go inside the pen, then the pen, there will be a heater type. Okay, so the pen will melt this plastic, and the plastic will come out from here, you can say like that. And then when it will come in the contact with the air, then the plastic will quickly be again hard. Okay, so that's why it's called 3D pen, and you can draw in the air. So when you drop it, then it will be a little bit hot, and then when you just keep on drawing, it will be cool. Every time it will be cool, and it will be very hard. Okay, immediately, like that. So that's why it's called 3D pen. It works like that. Okay, as you can see, this part of the filament, it's like this. Okay, you can broke also easily. As you saw, I just broke it. Okay, so you will get filament in like this circle type in this. Now what you have to do is, you have to slowly take out one filament like this. Okay, and then you have to insert it that way in the pen. Okay, first of all, let us keep this aside, I will show you later. Now let us move to the last part of our pen, and that is its cable to connect. Okay, now as you can see here, we will just get this USB plug and this cable. Okay, and this cable where we have to connect is here. As you can see, this pen's top, here will go the USB cable, and in this hole will go the filament. As I already said you have to insert the filament something like this. Okay, and up to here it will go, and when you will on the switch, it will automatically go down. Okay, the motors will again pull it down. So you will need your mobile chargers plug or any other plug, like laptops also you can use to connect, but mobile charger plug is recommended. Okay, because it uses very high power. So you can use a mobile charger plug and then connect the USB plug through that, and you can plug it in the plug and then you can use it. Okay, now let me demonstrate you by showing it how it works. So as you can see over here, I bought my mobile chargers plug with a USB port in it, and I will connect it here. Okay, so I connected it. Now it is ready to use. Okay, now let me show you by using it how it works. So first of all, let me bring my plug. As you can see, I will keep it aside for now, and I'll plug it over here. Okay, done. Now I have turned it on. Okay, now after turning on, first of all, let us see what comes in this display. Okay, now after turning that on, oh yes, I forgot to show you one more thing. As you can see over here, in the right side of this, you will also get this scrollable button. Now what is this? These are just the speed of the plastic, okay, or the filament. How much speedily should it come? If you keep it full, then the filament will come very slowly. Okay, like it will come slowly, so you can draw. If you want to fill something and you need the filament to flow very fast, then you can keep it upwards and filament will come very rapidly. Okay, so you have to do fast. Filament will come very fast. So like that, this is to adjust the speed. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, so how to turn it on is, first of all, after we plug this here, then what we have to do is we have to press this one button. Okay, this one, as I said you, the button which we use to bring the filament down, that button, first of all you need to press for at least 3 seconds. Okay, 3 or 2 seconds. Then you can see some LED lights in the display, as you saw here. As you can see over here, you saw some LED lights when I press for one time. Yeah, like orange color lights. So after you press for 3 seconds, you will see it something in display. Okay, so the display has came already, as you can see. Okay, so as you saw over here, the PLR has came. Now that is some kind of plastic material. Okay, means what kind of filament are you using? If there is PLR, then you can use PLR, or there may also be some other options, like there is ABS. Okay, so I don't know much about these plastic materials, but if you are using PLR kind of plastic, then you can choose PLR. If you are using ABS, then ABS, something like that, but I don't know much more about this. And then now after turning it on, you can choose any one if you want. For now I will choose PLR. And then after turning it on, what we have to do is this button. Okay, as you can see, after we press this button, then the pen will start to heat up. Okay, as I already said you how the pen works, the pen just heats up and it melts the filament. So in the similar way, first after we press this button again, here you will be see a red light. Okay, here you will be seeing a red light beside this orange light. Okay, so as you saw, I just pressed and the red light started coming. Now here is given some number, as you can see here, 59, 60, it's going rapidly. Okay, so up to until it reaches 190, and then this color will turn into green. Okay, and then only the pen can be usable. So it will take some time. It's now 130, that means 130 degrees Celsius. It needs to be up to 200 degrees Celsius, I guess. 200 or 190 degrees Celsius, then only the pen will be usable. Okay, here is red light, so now we can't do anything until it turns green. Okay, so as you saw, the pen has already turned green, the red light turned into green. Now we can insert our filament. Okay, so first of all, let me bring one paper over here. Okay, in this we are going to do all our work. So first of all, let me show you by putting the filament in this pen. Okay, so as you can see here, I will just show you a little bit because I don't know much how to use this pen. So as you can see here, first of all, I am going to put this part in this hole. Okay, as you saw here, I just kept this much, and then after that just press this button and the filament will automatically go inside. Okay, I just pressed. Okay, as you can hear the sound. Okay, see, I am not doing anything, the filament is going itself inside. Okay, I am not doing anything, the sound also you can hear. You can hear the sound also. Is coming. Okay, and the filament went itself inside. Okay. Okay, oh, the filament started to fall down, as you can see from its nib. From its tip, the filament has started to fall down. I forgot to turn it off. Okay, so this was the filament, as you can see here. So if you put this only in many amount, then you can do 3D paint. Okay, as you saw, now it's already dried. As I said you already, it was just now hot, and as soon as it touched the paper, it's already dried. As you can see, it's hard already. So in this way you have to paint. Okay, now I don't know how to use this pen much, so I will just try over here. As you can see, I just did it. Okay, and it's coming, and it's coming. Okay, I stopped it. Okay, mine was too hot, so it's just going down. Okay, so as you can see over here, I just scribbled it and it came something like this. Okay, so as you can see, it was nice pen only. We can do many things if we know, but I don't know how to use this pen because I recently bought it. So after I learn, I will make one more video on how to use this pen if you want. So comment down if you want more videos on this pen. If you like this pen and if you are deciding to buy this pen, then I will also share the link in the description. You can check it out. And this filament is also very nice. Okay, now one more thing is that once you have used the filament or the filament came out from the pen, you cannot again use it back. Okay, so it's already very thin, as you can see over here. Once the filament comes out, and you cannot again put it back, and you have to buy this filament separately. Okay, if it finishes, it won't come many with the pen. You have to buy it separately. Okay, and it also comes in different color, not just in blue. It comes in different colors, any color which you want, but I will draw in paper and we can take out it also. For example, I'll write here S. Okay, and after writing this S, you can also take it out from the paper and you can stick it somewhere. Okay, now it is recommended to use butter paper or any paper with some little bit kind of oil. Okay, so as you can see here, my A4 size paper, it just got stuck. Okay, and it's not coming out easily. So you can use the paper with little bit kind of oil or butter paper or anything paper like that which has little bit oil. Okay, but mine still came out, as you can see. Now this S, you can also stick it somewhere where you want, for example in cupboard or in the place where you want. You can write your name like SAKSHM Saksham, and you can also press it like this SAK like that. As you can see, this 3D pen is very useful. Okay, so I hope you like this video and this pen. If you are deciding to buy this pen, then I have given the link in the description. Please go and check it out. And this pen was also very nice. It's right in the air, but I don't know how to use it now. But if I learn it, I will make one more video. So please tell in the comments if you want a new video on this pen about how to use it, everything. So I will also make the video on that topic. And thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.